Do you feel like all you do is go to work, but you're not moving forward financially in life, and yet you struggle to pay your bills? You struggle to have enough money by the end of the month to travel? You struggle to have time for yourself or your family? And you're not alone.
This is me. Well, this was me 2 years ago, until one day I realized I had enough and I missed so much of my life.
I missed so many holidays and events with my family and friends. I said no to opportunities due to being tired from my job. And I said no to activities that I loved because of financial strain. 2 years ago, I was scrolling through my TikTok feed when a video showed up. It was a guy talking about how he had to quit his banking job and was using social media to generate an online income. He was happy, had financial freedom, and was traveling. He basically was living the life that I wanted to be living. Now, was I skeptical at first? Of course, who would it be? However, after talking to him, asking a bunch of questions, and doing my own research, I decided to take a step forward in my life for the first time. And that's when I started my affiliate marketing journey through a $7 training course, and I was able to quit my job in just 8 months and go from zero to $100,000 in 12 months. My goal is to help and inspire others just like you do the exact same thing that I do.